Quick video on some upgrades we did to these glass racks. We put a thing on the front and the back of them so you can pick them with the forks. Basically, we picked it up with a forklift, stood it up on one end with a boom and a sling, and that way we were able to lay out our centers where we needed to put these things. We just drew a line with a square and a Sharpie, got it all centered up. Basically right on the lip of the front and back, we centered it, clamped them on, went ahead and made sure everything was squared up and clamped where it needed to be. You can see right there, there's a, basically we're on the edge of the roll on the tubing, so it get us in the center of it. Put a tack in the middle, went ahead and tacked it at the top and the bottom so we could get it all into place. Went ahead, welded it up all the way around, front and back. Shot a little bit of paint on them so they wouldn't rust, and looks like they're pretty good to go. And then we just reversed the process with getting them back down, pulled them out and put them down. Thanks for watching.